Prepositions are small but mighty words that connect parts of a sentence. They show relationships like location, time, or direction. Think of them as tiny guides helping us understand where or when something is. Let's see them in action. The apple is on the table. On tells us the apple's position. I wake up at 7 a.m. At shows time. We live in a big city. In indicates location. The dog ran under the fence. Under describes its path. She walked to the park. To shows direction. Understanding prepositions is key to speaking and writing clearly. They add precision to your sentences. Keep practicing with different examples and you'll use them naturally. You've got this.